Hello, my name is Tim Cole, and I'm talking to you today about another great tool you can use in many different areas: education, corporate world, sports, and it's great and it's also free. All right, it's called Canva. All right, just like Canvas without the S. Canva is a great website to use. Here I'm already signed in. I use it. Um, Here we're on the home page. All right, many things you can do. Here you go in, it stores your design. Every design you create on this site, you can store it there up to a number. All right, and you get a number of them for free. But of course, with these type websites, it always comes with something where you can get a little bit more if you pay for it or upgrade. All right. So here they have the different types of photos that you can use that are already on the site, and you can go in and you can upload different photos or images to the site. All right. Right here just got, trending photos, the different kind of photos that, that may be out and available for you. Like I said, free of charge. And you can do different types of presentations and that and whatnot. Just kind of stroll down through and let you see what I'm talking about here. All right, here got different kind of brand kits that you can use also for the site. Like I said, it's helpful for all different types of areas. All right, just got here, really self-explanatory on what you need to do. You go here, you put your color in, you upload your color. You can do logos, and then you put your font and print over here. You also can do some more here. All right, let's go back to the home page for real quick. And let's just show you a sample of the different items you can do with this website. Create your own design. All right. You also can do designs for social media. You can do presentations in the office, classroom, any workspace you may have. Got spaces where you can do posters. Now here, it also comes with a little site. It's called Design School, where if you get a little stuck or you need to get into depth on what to do, you just go in here and you got where you can take 12 lessons about 22 minutes each, and it'll teach you, all the things you may want to know. If you want to do, fine tune things here and there, give you a little tutorial on how to do that as well. You just go into it and then you click start the course, and it'll show you how to do step by step on how to do the different items you may want to do. Got here, brand your own business. All right. Presentation to impress, Canva for beginners, and then you got the creativity one. So all you do, you just go on, and here it just tells you how long each course is, and it's how many courses or lessons that it may take for you to, master those particular skills. Stroll around here, let you check it out. All right, it's a great tool to use. You should check it out. Now, once you look on that, you can go here. All right. You can even go out and create your own team. And what I mean by that, you go on, you can invite different people. So if you're at work in the workplace where you got a group and you have to, do a presentation, you want, hey, you do your part, I do my part, and you give out different pieces of the presentation. All you have to do is go in and you can type in your members here. All right. Put the email in, click it, and it'll send out an invitation. And now you guys are linked, and where you can do those presentations. You can do your part from the comfort of your own home. All right, goes in and it upload, and you can do it as you go. It's interactive. Then you got your folders, and then when you're done with whatever your presentation is, you can share with others. All right, and down here at the bottom, it has the upload I'm sorry, the upgrade. If you want to upgrade something, it gives you a little bit more, but you have to pay for the very extras, Like I said, you can collaborate. Um, you can export and import different images, and, and it has it here. But also, you can, like I said, you got a free 30-day trial, and it'll show you exactly the specifics and what else you can do. But the basics is free, you know. And if you like what you're doing, you like what you see, you always can upgrade and get a little bit more. But for free, it has a lot of different templates that you can design, different presentations, posters, letterheads. It has tons of things you can do on here. You also do stuff for social media. So it's a great website to check out and create different things. Thank you.